Hey guys, welcome back to the Doghouse. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jessica. I'll introduce the dogs in a little bit because today we're going to be using all 5 of the dogs. Today's video is a video I've been trying to do for the last couple of weeks, but with the fact that we've been a little bit hectic around the house, I've just been working extra days at the shop, and also I had a back procedure done, and just the stuff that comes along with running the whole house. We've just been a little bit busy, and I've been a little late to the game when it comes to the What the Fluff challenge. Or not even a video, it's just like a challenge with your dog, and now they're doing other animals with it, but it started out as a challenge with people's dogs, and it's gone pretty viral, and everybody's trying it, and it's pretty funny. And I thought might as well be doing it at the Doghouse, and we've got 5 dogs to try it with. So we are gonna try it with all 5 dogs. I have some assumptions on how it'll go, but I don't really know. I didn't plan that, but whatever. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna go with Lila. 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 Hi, Lila. Hi, Lila. What? Look at it. What? What? Lila. Lila. Hi, Lila. She just wants to play game. Lila. Hi, girl. Fail. Fail. Hey, Dexter. You knew. You knew. You knew. You knew. No. 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 Okay. I'm this. Well, there you have it. I don't know if they reacted like I thought they were gonna react. Some of them did, as in like they didn't react really, or they were. I thought Dexter actually would have taken it out on the blanket, but he did not. So I hope this was entertaining. I definitely want to see the footage because I was jumping away out of their sight, so I really didn't actually get to see their reaction. So anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed kind of making it. It was fun. and it's our little addition to the What the Fluff challenge. I guess it's a hashtag, so that'll be a part of it, especially on our social media, on our Instagram. And if you're not following our Instagram, do that if you would like to keep up on us a little bit, more day-to-day stuff and things like that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.